In this video you will learn how to add a service charge on Square. First, log in. Log into your Square dashboard. Open Square's website and log into your account using your credentials. Then, navigate. Navigate to your settings. From the dashboard, click on Settings, usually represented by a gear icon. Then select Taxes or Items. Under the Tax section, you will see an option to set up tax or other charges. Add a service charge. Under Items or Custom Fees, in the Items section, click Create Item or Add a Custom Fee. You'll be prompted to add details such as the price, enter the amount or percentage of the service charge, and the name, such as the service charge name. Then, set the service charge as a percentage. If you want the service charge to be a percentage of the sale, you can input a percentage, such as 10%. It is a fixed amount, input the dollar amount. Apply the service charge. When creating the item, you can select it while processing a sale or invoice. It will automatically be added to the total at the end. Save changes. Once you've created and configured your service charge, make sure to save the changes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.